Hello, Kai Dickens here, founder of Playology and friend of FitLifeTV. I'm so excited to be here today. I really want to talk to you about the concept of play and bringing play back into your life. So when we talk about play, first I really want to just explain to you, what is it? There is a dictionary definition that is ridiculous, and I don't even want you to think about this. The first thing that I want you to think when you think about play is just trying to be present and in the moment. And it's an opportunity for you to actually just step in and enjoy what you're doing with no expectations. And yes, there are times where we have games that have rules, but if you think about the rules, they're just the boundary. And when you step inside of that boundary, that's when the play starts. So I want to talk to you today about the reasons why we stop playing and play personalities. So ultimately what happens is, somebody invites you to do something and you say, nah, I'm not interested in that. It could be running out and playing basketball. It could be going bowling, and it just isn't something that sparks your fancy. Why? Well, because it's not in your play personality category. There are 8 different play personalities according to Stuart Brown. And this is how they roll out. You're either a joker, you're a competitor, you are a director, you're an explorer, you are a kinesthete, you are a creator or an artist, you're a connector, and you're a storyteller. And oftentimes we are a combination of 2 to 3 of these. One of them is going to be super high all the time. Like me personally, I am a competitor. Anything that you bring that's about winning the game, I am all about it. I hate running. You make that a game where I get the opportunity to win, it's going to be a lot of fun. For you, it might not be the same thing. You might be one of the individuals that thinks competition is not fun, but you love doing it just for the sake of actually connecting with people and being part of the fun. That will take you to the kinesthetic. So if there were any of those in there that resonated with you, it's probably safe to say that if you actually build activities around that, you're gonna have a lot of fun and you're not gonna feel guilty going out to play. So if you are a joker, according to Stuart Brown, you are somebody that just really likes to make people laugh. You enjoy doing things that are funny, that are lighthearted, and actually bring out the laughter and the fun in people. If you're a competitor, kind of like I told you, you really love to win. You play a game for the sake of the win or the loss, and you absolutely hate the loss. If you are a director, you actually have a lot of fun organizing things and making sure that what's supposed to happen on this side is actually happening. If you are a storyteller, you enjoy telling stories. You enjoy improv and little things like that, acting, just to it makes you happy by making other people happy in the story. If you are a collector, you love collecting experiences, you can collect things. Anything in the form of collection, you just love bringing those into you. If you are an explorer, you love traveling, you love going on adventures, you love anything that takes you from one place to another. If you're the creator or artist, one, it doesn't always have to be about art, okay? It could be music, it could be actually painting a picture, and it doesn't have to be for somebody else, it could be just for you. And if you're the kinesthete, these are the people that love movement. They love just actually being in the game, in the activity, but they're not trying to win. They want to be there just to be able to connect to the people that are there and to be part of the experience. So what I would love to do right now is just invite you, yes you, to do one thing. I want you to think about the kinds of things that you actually love to do before and actually make a list and just pick one thing, just one single thing to add into your routine next week, and then do it the week after that. It's one simple thing. I'm not asking you to do all of them because we know what happens when we try to go all or nothing. Nothing happens. But if you take just one, I promise when you step into that world of play, it's going to open a completely new door for you. Again, this is Kai Dickens, founder of Playology and friend of FitLifeTV.